Hi, this is Claudia and welcome to Sfida Pizza. In order to make your authentic Neapolitan pizza, you'll need the following: a clean working area, a 2-liter or a half-gallon bowl, a digital measuring scale, a stainless steel triangular spatula which has a width of 12 centimeters, 2 rectangular pans 35 by 25 by 5 centimeters, plastic wrap, an infrared thermometer. It should be able to measure temperatures up to 380 degrees Celsius. A non-stick pizza pan of 32 centimeters in diameter. A triangular cake server. A pair of oven mittens. An extra baking pan made of stainless steel. Its use will be explained in Module 1, page 7. And to know more about the utensils, the list of ingredients, how to organize your time according to the leavening process, please see Module 1 with the caption "Let's start!"